Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Koret Shaibu, don't tell Nigerian students make them work hard without fear or intimidation by people wey he describe as strongmen for Naija for them to keep the nation's democracy. Shaibu yarn this one for National Association of Nigerian Students (NANS) Summit wey shele for Imagwero College for Benin City. The event host na NANS Vice Presido Intercampus Affairs Comrade Vanessa Egbehai. Shaibu, wey first be NANS Presido for 1999, come narrate him journey into student unionism and him contributions to the emergence of democracy for Naija. Oga Shaibu come talk say make students dey hardworking, diligent, focused and determined to push for growth and development of Naija.
Have the character to determine what we wanted, we'll have chicken out. Maybe today we'll have democracy. If we have said, this pain is too much, not that we're not offered money. We offered money to justice in our struggle. But for us, we're convinced that the struggle for democracy was better than selling our right for pot of porridge. And we resisted the money and we fought for democracy. Today, democracy is here. So the challenge, therefore, is how do we sustain this democracy? And the sustainability of this democracy is determined by the respect or rule of law. Charter of Demand. The most important part of NANS Charter of Demand is to strengthen institutions. Our dream is to have institutions that work for everybody. But when you have supermen work for themselves and their cronies. But when we have institutions work for everybody. So what can sustain democracy is when we obey rule of law and we strengthen all major institutions, where the IG of police can act without being influenced by his appointer, where elections is about to start again. They'll come and tell you youth is the future of tomorrow. Don't listen to them. It's a lie. For you to be a leader of tomorrow, you must be leader today. You must be what? Leader today to be a leader of tomorrow.
Read your books and you are going for exam and you are telling God, I want to pass exam that I have not read. How will you pass? But when you are reading, you are praying to God for retentive memory. Answer that question. Who God answers us? Because God knows you have made effort. You have read. Now you are not praying for God's favor to make you have retentive memory to be able to answer those questions. That will work. But when you go to bed, you wake up, carry your books, God, I'm waiting for this exam. God, I want miracle. Those miracles don't exist.
Make na no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Bailumi Mokoro, TMC TV News.